Welcome back to English on Air, the podcast where adults learn real-life English in a fun and simple way.
Hello, everyone. We're very happy you're here again.
Okay, imagine this situation. You meet someone. They look at you. You look at them. And silence.
Awkward.
Very awkward. You want to say something, but your mind is empty.
Yes, this happens to many English learners. They know English, but they don't know how to start a conversation.
Exactly. They think, what should I say?
Today, we fix that.
Yes, today we're talking about small talk.
Simple conversations for daily life, at work, at a cafe, with new people.
By the end of this episode, you will start conversations easily, keep them going, and avoid awkward silence.
Let's begin.
Let's start with a common situation. You meet someone for the first time. What do you say?
Keep it simple. You can say, "Hi, how are you?"
Classic. Always works.
After that, you can ask, "Where are you from?"
Or, what do you do? Host 2.
Let's make a short conversation.
Host 1. Hi, how are you? Host 2. I'm good, thanks. And you? Host 1. I'm good. Where are you from? Host 2. I'm from Morocco. What about you? Host 1. I'm from Spain. Host 2. Simple, natural. 0 minutes, 7 seconds. Adding details. Host 1. But we don't want short answers. We want better answers. Host 2. Yes. Instead of, I'm from Morocco. Say, I'm from Morocco, from Casablanca. Host 1. Now it sounds more natural. 0 minutes, 9 seconds. Situation 2. At work. Host 1. Let's move to another situation. At work. Host 2. You see a colleague. You can say, Hey, how's your day going? Host 1. Nice. Very common. 011. Responses. Host 2. Possible answers. It's going well. It's a bit busy. I'm tired today. Host 1. Then you can ask, Are you busy today? Host 2. And the conversation continues. 013. Situation 3. At a cafe. Host 1. Now imagine you're at a cafe. You want to sit. You can ask, Is this seat taken? Host 2. Very useful. If the answer is, No, it's free. Then you say, Great, thank you. 015. Starting a conversation. Host 2. If you want to continue talking, this place is nice. Host 1. Or, the coffee here is really good. Host 2. Simple comments start conversations. 017. Situation 4. Talking about weather. Host 1. Let's talk about a classic topic. Weather. Host 2. Yes, everyone talks about weather. You can say, Nice weather today, right? Host 1. Or, It's very hot today. It's cold today. 019. Why weather? Host 2. Because it's easy. Everyone understands it. Host 1. And it's safe. No stress. 020. Reactions. Host 1. Now let's talk about reactions. Host 2. Very important. When someone speaks, you react. Common reactions. Host 2. Oh, really? That's interesting. Nice. Same here. Host 1. These small words make conversation natural. 022. Keeping it going. Host 1. How do we continue the conversation?
Ask simple questions. What about you? Do you like it? How often do you go there?
Questions keep the conversation alive.
Let's review key words. 1. Small talk. Short, simple conversation. Example, we had a small talk at work.
2. Awkward. Strange or uncomfortable. Example, the silence was awkward.
3. Conversation. Talking with someone. Example, we had a good conversation.
4. Polite. Kind and respectful. Example, say please to be polite.
5. Friendly. Kind and open. Example, he is very friendly.
6. Topic. Subject of conversation. Example, weather is a common topic. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. Hi, how are you?
Where are you from?
What do you do?
How's your day going?
Is this seat taken?
Nice weather today, right?
That's interesting.
What about you? So now you can start conversations. Simple, but effective.
But we're not finished. Because starting is one thing. Continuing is another.
In the next part, we'll show you how to keep talking longer, how to avoid silence, how to end conversations naturally.
Stay with us. Because this is where your English becomes more natural. So now you know how to start a conversation. Simple questions. Easy topics.
Yes, but now comes the next step. How do we continue the conversation? Because many learners start well and then stop.
Let's imagine this. You say, "Hi, how are you?" The person answers, "I'm good." And then, silence.
Yes, conversation finished too fast. The solution is simple. Always ask one more question.
Example,
How are you? I'm good. Then ask, what are you doing today?
that keeps it going. What is a follow-up question?
A question based on the answer. Example, I'm busy today. You ask, why are you busy?
So you show interest.
Exactly.
Let's improve answers. Bad answer, I'm busy. Better answer, I'm busy because I have a lot of work today.
Now the other person can ask more questions. Good conversation is about interest. You listen and you react.
Examples?
Oh, really? That sounds interesting. Nice. Wow.
Simple, but powerful. Let's do a full conversation. Hey, how's your day going?
It's going well, but I'm a bit busy today.
Oh, really? Why are you busy?
I have a lot of work and meetings.
That sounds busy. Do you finish late?
Yes, probably. See? The conversation continues naturally.
Let's talk about a big mistake. One-word answers.
Yes. Good. Fine. Okay.
These answers stop the conversation.
Always try to add more. Even one extra sentence helps.
Now, how do we finish a conversation politely?
Very important. You can say, it was nice talking to you.
Or, I have to go now.
Then add, see you later. Take care.
Let's practice. It was nice talking to you.
Yes, nice talking to you too.
I have to go now.
Okay, see you later. Very natural, very polite.
Let's talk about confidence. Many learners feel nervous.
Yes, they think, My English is not perfect.
But small talk doesn't need perfect English.
Exactly. Simple English is enough. You can practice small talk every day, even alone.
How?
Ask yourself questions. Answer out loud. Example, how is my day going? My day is good. I'm relaxed today.
Let's repeat the key idea. Start simple. Ask questions. React. Add details.
And don't be afraid. Let's review key words. 1. Follow-up. A question after an answer. Example, ask a follow-up question.
2. Detail. Extra information. Example. Add details to your answer.
3. Interest. Attention and curiosity. Example, show interest in people.
4. Continue. To keep going. Example. Continue the conversation.
5. End. To finish. Example, end the conversation politely.
6. Confident. Feeling sure. Example. I feel confident speaking English. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. How's your day going?
What are you doing today?
Why are you busy?
That sounds interesting.
Oh, really?
What about you?
It was nice talking to you.
See you later. Now full sentences. Repeat after us. My day is going well, but I'm a bit busy today.
I'm busy because I have a lot of work.
It was nice talking to you. See you later.
Before we finish, remember this. Small talk is simple, but very important.
It helps you connect with people, make friends, feel comfortable.
You don't need big words. You need simple, clear sentences.
Start today. Talk to someone. Ask a simple question.
And don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
If this episode helped you, share it with someone who feels shy speaking English.
Listen again. Repeat again. Practice every day.
We'll see you in the next episode of
English
On Air.
Keep speaking.
Keep improving,
Bye.
everyone.